Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Chelsea MK5004, in color code 1017/R1. It's a rose gold color frame. The temples have a Michael Kors logo, and the temple tips have a taupe rubber finish, as well as this side. This is the inside of the frame. The lenses are a gold flash color. They are RXable and they have a Michael Kors logo on the top left lens. The style of the frame is Fashion Pilot. Up here we have a Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.